Blogging has exploded in popularity over the past decade, transforming from a niche hobby into a mainstream activity. What started as simple online diaries has evolved into a powerful tool for communication and influence. It's a way to share your thoughts, expertise, and passions with a global audience, reaching people you never thought possible. And yes, you can earn serious money from it. Many bloggers have turned their passion into a profitable venture. Whether you dream of earning a side income or building a full-time career, blogging offers incredible potential for financial freedom. This guide will show you how to navigate the blogging world, from setting up your blog to monetizing your content. We'll explore proven strategies for success, including content creation, SEO, and audience engagement. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful blog. Blogging requires consistent effort and hard work, often involving late nights and continuous learning. But the rewards can be significant, both financially and personally, as you see your blog grow and thrive. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, with your blog working for you around the clock. Picture yourself working from anywhere with an internet connection, enjoying the freedom and flexibility that blogging can offer. That's the power of a successful blog. With the right approach and mindset, you can achieve your blogging goals. Let's get started. The first step is choosing your niche. This is the specific topic your blog will focus on. Think about your passions. What do you love to talk about? What are you knowledgeable in? Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in. Consider the market demand. Are people searching for information on your topic? Use keyword research tools to gauge interest. A successful niche is both personally fulfilling and profitable. It's where your passion intersects with audience demand. Choose wisely. Your niche will shape your entire blogging journey. Now it's time to build your blog. You'll need two things: a platform and a domain name. Popular platforms include WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. WordPress is highly recommended for its flexibility and customization options. Your domain name is your blog's web address. Choose a name that's memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Hosting is where your blog's files are stored. Select a reliable hosting provider to ensure your blog is accessible 24/7. These technical aspects might seem daunting at first. Don't worry, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available online to guide you. With your blog set up, it's time to create amazing content. This is the heart of your blog. Your content is what will attract and engage readers. Focus on providing value. Offer solutions to problems, share insightful information, or entertain your audience. Write in a clear, concise, and engaging style. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make your content scannable. Incorporate visuals like images, videos, and infographics to break up text and enhance engagement. Most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through your writing. Authenticity is key to building a loyal readership. Section 5. Attracting an audience, SEO, and social media. Creating great content is crucial, but it's not enough. You can write the most insightful, engaging, and well-researched blog posts, but if no one sees them, your efforts are in vain. You need to get your blog in front of your target audience. This means understanding where your audience spends their time online and how they search for content. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, and social media marketing come in. These strategies help increase your blog's visibility and drive traffic to your site. SEO involves optimizing your blog posts for search engines like Google. This means making sure your content is easily discoverable by search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. Keywords are the terms and phrases that people type into search engines when looking for information. Build backlinks by guest posting on other blogs in your niche. Backlinks are links from other websites to your blog, and they signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Social media platforms are powerful tools for promoting your blog. They allow you to reach a wider audience and engage with your readers in real time. Create profiles on platforms where your target audience hangs out. This could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media site that your audience uses. Share your blog posts, engage with your followers, and participate in relevant communities. By being active on social media, you can build relationships with your audience, increase your blog's visibility, and drive more traffic to your site. Section 6. Monetization methods, affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about making money. One of the most popular monetization methods is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services on your blog. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Be transparent with your readers about your affiliate relationships. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative income stream. It allows you to earn passive income while providing value to your readers. Section 7. Monetization methods, display advertising. Another common monetization method is display advertising. This involves placing ads on your blog. You earn money based on ad impressions or clicks. Google AdSense is a popular platform for beginners. Experiment with different ad placements and formats to find what works best for your blog. Avoid cluttering your blog with too many ads. This can negatively impact user experience. Display advertising can be a steady source of income, especially as your blog traffic grows. Section 8. Monetization methods. Selling your own products. If you have your own products or services, your blog can be a powerful sales platform. Create high-quality products that solve your audience's problems or fulfill their needs. Offer exceptional customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. Consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. These products have low overhead costs and can be easily scaled. Section 9. Monetization methods, sponsored posts, and collaborations. As your blog gains traction, you may start receiving offers for sponsored posts or collaborations. This involves partnering with brands to create content that aligns with your niche and audience. Be selective about the brands you work with. Choose partnerships that feel authentic to your brand and provide value to your readers. Clearly disclose any sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. Section 10. Common blogging mistakes and how to avoid them. Blogging is a journey, and mistakes are part of the process. Every blogger, whether a beginner or experienced, encounters challenges along the way. The key is to learn from these mistakes and continuously improve. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid and tips on how to steer clear of them to ensure your blogging journey is as smooth as possible. Neglecting SEO. Don't underestimate the importance of SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for making your blog discoverable. Without it, your content might get lost in the vast sea of the internet. Optimize your blog posts for search engines to attract organic traffic. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. This will help improve your blog's visibility and reach a wider audience. Inconsistent posting. Consistency is key in blogging. Irregular posting can lead to a loss of readership and engagement. Establish a posting schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Plan your content in advance and set realistic goals for how often you can publish new posts. This will help keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Ignoring your audience, engage with your readers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. Your audience is the backbone of your blog, and their feedback is invaluable. Promoting too much. Don't bombard your audience with constant sales pitches. While monetizing your blog is important, over-promotion can drive readers away. Focus on providing value and building relationships. Offer useful information, share personal stories, and create content that resonates with your audience. This will help build trust and loyalty. Giving up too soon. Building a successful blog takes time and effort. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results, but persistence is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep refining your strategy, learning from your mistakes, and staying committed to your goals. With time, patience, and dedication, your blog can grow and thrive. Section 11. Conclusion. Your blogging journey starts today. Blogging can be a rewarding and lucrative endeavor. It allows you to share your passions, connect with a global audience, and earn potentially significant income. Remember, success in blogging requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, promote your blog effectively, and explore different monetization methods. The world of blogging awaits. Take the first step today and watch your online presence flourish.